today's video is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing. It is currently almost midnight. I'm feeling a little delusional. I've seen 87 true crime videos today. I need to calm down because it's really starting to not let me trust anyone. But anyway, I get weird at the end of the night. Let me get back on track. Boxycharm. We are going to be trying on some products from the March Boxycharm box. This is just their standard box. I forget what the name is. Their base box, I think. And this is what it looks like on the inside. Earlier today when I was looking inside, I lost the little card. I don't know what I did with it. I don't know if I accidentally threw it away. And it's such a bummer because it has all the information on it, the price. I'm gonna go into this blindly now. I don't know what anything is. So we'll see. I'll just let you know like what it's called and stuff, but I will have the prices in the description box down below like I always do. But let's go ahead and dive in. Let's start this video. So the first product in this box is this. So this is from the brand Sutra Beauty, and this is a mini ceramic curling iron. Is this some kind of sick joke? As I've discussed in my last two videos, I am on somewhat of a curly girl journey. I'm not supposed to use any products in my hair that have silicones, obviously, because I'm on a curly girl journey. I'm in the middle of a transition phase with my curly hair.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it.
I'm not allowed to use heat on my hair these days. I can't try this out for the folks at home. Oh my god, it's so cute, it's purple. Oh my gosh, this is so adorable. This is the perfect wand to travel. Like if you just need to do a little touch up in the hotel bathroom. This is awesome. I don't know how great it is, and honestly, I would test it out for you today, but I cannot. But I definitely will be trying this out in the future. I'm gonna keep this. I'm gonna use this. Like I said, I'm not 1000% committed to this curly girl thing, okay? I'm like 95%. So I'm sure there's gonna be a day here and there where I'll add a little heat to my hair. And I think that's okay. I think it's okay. Yes, I'm having coffee at midnight. And then I literally wonder why I don't sleep. Anyway, this is good stuff. I don't know the price, but I'm excited about it. And I like the color. Like I actually have a photo shoot coming up soon, and I know Amanda's gonna add tons of heat to my hair. Every single time I have a shoot, my hair goes through it. So if you see me with straight hair sometime next week on Instagram, it's not my fault. I had a photo shoot. Okay, moving on. The next product in the box is this. So this is una pinza from the brand Chella. For some reason, I can't remember what this is called in English. I don't know what's happening to me. I think it's the time. I think it's because it's late. What is this called? Pinza en inglés. A clamp. No, that's not right. Tweezers! These are tweezers, and they're from the brand Chella. At first, I'm not gonna lie, this did throw me off a bit because it has this very strange shape. And I know that it has this shape so that you can hold it comfortably. This little circle is like meant for your fingers, I believe. But that doesn't help me because I am left-handed and I pluck my eyebrows like this. And I feel like it's almost impossible for me to hold this in a comfortable way because of these little holes. Like maybe if I do it like this, it would have to be like, I don't know, this is a very weird shape. I don't know if it's great for lefties, to be honest. If you have this, like if you got this in your Boxycharm and you're right-handed, let me know. Is it comfortable to use? Because for me, I don't know. It's not the best feeling in my hand, but honestly, it gets the job done. I used it earlier today to pluck some wild hairs on my brows, and I really liked it. I mean, I took them out. The worst kinds of tweezers are the ones that don't pull your hair out. They just freaking pull at it, and it stays in your hair, and then it hurts like a mofo, and it's like a whole thing. I don't have that issue with this. It tweezed my hair really nicely. It's pretty good. The only thing I don't like is the shape. The next thing in the box is this. This is an eyeshadow palette, and it's from a brand called Hank & Henry, and this is their Living in Color palette. He's very fat. He's very thick. It kind of reminds me of a younger version of Urban Decay. Like Urban Decay back in 2014 when they used to do palettes like this. Kind of reminds me of them a little bit, right? This is what the palette looks like on the inside. It has a really pretty color story. Only thing I don't like is the thickness. Like I definitely think it could have been skinnier, but you know, maybe that's the vibe they were going for. nice and thick. It comes with a mirror, and these shimmery shades look really, really beautiful. Like this gold copper color has little pink sparkles in it. I don't know, the shimmers look really interesting and unique. So I'm gonna do a quick eye look, you know the deal. I just wanna test these out, feel the creaminess, feel how they blend, try out the formula, and then I'll let you know how I feel. I obviously already have some of my makeup on, and I didn't necessarily prime the eyelids. Actually, I didn't. I just added a little bit of concealer. But this concealer is a bit creasy. This is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD. I'm just gonna add a little bit more to buff out that creasing. And I'm just gonna use this as an eyeshadow base. And let's do it. Okay, so I just finished up the rest of my makeup. I added some mascara and my lip. I'm wearing the KKW Mascara, and my lip is the Makeup Forever Aqua Lip in the shade 1C. And then I applied my ColourPop Luxe Lip Gloss in Just Cuddle right on top. But okay, this palette, I feel like I have mixed opinions on it. It's so weird. And I feel like they're like drastic mixed opinions, because I love the look I created, and honestly, I'm obsessed with this golden shade. I feel like I'm going to love and cherish this entire palette just for this golden shade. I'm obsessed with it. There's something so unique and beautiful about it. It has that really beautiful purple shimmer all throughout it, and it's such a stunning eyeshadow. I know it looks like just a regular copper, but I think it's so unique. It's so pretty. And these two colors look absolutely gorgeous as well. I haven't used these. I only used about 6 shades, but the shimmers are incredible. I would say the shimmers are the winners in this palette, because when it comes to the mattes, I don't know how I feel. These colors are extremely pigmented, but I do feel like they blend away easily, and I would normally like that. For example, when I was applying this orange shade to my crease, I was like, whoa, that is orange, that is very pigmented. But the more I started to blend it out, the more faded it got. And normally, like I said, I would like that, but I feel like it was fading a lot. Like the mattes blend away very easily, and I kind of feel like it gets a little bit patchy. Like this shade, as I was applying it all over my lid, I feel like it was starting to lift up in certain areas and look a little bit patchy, yet it was so pigmented. Honestly, I don't know. I know that's weird. I'm a little bit on the fence with the matte shades. Like, I don't know if I love it or if I hate it. It's so bizarre. But besides the mattes, the shimmers are incredible, and I do really like this palette. I'm gonna hold on to it. I'm gonna use it. I don't know how much this costs, but I did really enjoy it. Okay guys, and then we only have one more product, and that is this. Oh no, I'm lying. I already added lip gloss. When I have a lip gloss, oh my gosh. Okay, see, this is what happens when I don't have my little card. I get confused. So I barely applied any of that ColourPop lip gloss. As you can see, it's barely shiny. So that's good. I'm gonna apply this right on top. This is from a brand called Vintage by Jessica Liebeskind. I feel like I'm saying her last name super wrong, but this gloss is really, really gorgeous. There's something about it that reminds me of my childhood. I know, but like it reminds me of Barbie Sparkle. It's so pretty. It looks like a gloss that I would have had when I was younger. It smells like nothing. So let's see. Ooh, 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 juicy. That is some shiny ass gloss. It doesn't feel super thick and sticky and goopy. It feels really nice, but it's super shiny. I love it. I absolutely love it. This is in the shade Pink Sequin, and it's my favorite thing in the box. Okay, now we have one more product, and then we're done. And then we can wash this off and go to sleep. All right. This is the last product, and I'm actually not super excited about this. Okay, so this is the Farmacy Very Cherry Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm, and this was actually exclusively made for the Boxycharm, like for the box. And I used to be obsessed with the Farmacy Makeup Melt Away Balm, the green one. It was so incredible. It would take off all my makeup. I was obsessed, in love, but so many of you guys were telling me that the ingredients were really bad, like it had plastic in it or something. And so I'm wondering if this is just the same thing, only obviously this is a cherry version. See, like when you go on the Sephora website, it says that on the original Melt Away Balm, plastic is the 5th ingredient. Yeah, like the 5th ingredient is polyethylene, which is plastic. Is that weird? Like to have in your skincare? That's so bizarre to me. This smells so good. I'm obsessed with cherry scented things. Cherry's my favorite flavor. This is an incredible product, guys. Like it removes all of your makeup. It's really, really good. I don't know how I feel about it. I don't know how I'm supposed to feel about it. Is there something I don't know? Please explain to me. Why is polyethylene or whatever in this? I don't know. But that's the last product. I'm sorry I can't demonstrate it for you guys today. But yeah, guys, that's it. I can't tell you how much the value is because I don't have my card. But that completes this video. These were all the products in my March Boxycharm. I actually really enjoyed everything I got except this guy. Even though I'm not gonna use that curling wand, you better believe I will someday in the future. It's super convenient and I'm gonna hang on to that. I really enjoyed the other products in the box, especially this gloss is my favorite thing. I love it. But don't forget to leave me a comment down below letting me know what you got in your box this month. Did you love it? Did you hate it? Leave it in the comments below. Let's discuss. But that completes this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so, so, so much. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Oh my God, bro, I'm gonna lose it. There's something in my eye. We are trying out the February.
That you truly got.
Sweet Lord. Wow. That's gonna hurt. And it feels really comfortable too. It doesn't feel super stick. What's that?